Hey guys, this is Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of RESTful web services. In my last video I have created a functionality or a RESTful web service for updating a record, and in this video I will be creating or I will be discussing how to create a RESTful web service using get method of HTTP protocol for deleting a record from the database. Here you can see I have created RESTful web services for delete API, and here you can see this is my table. Here you can see there are 3 records, and I'll be creating one of the records. There is the record ID 4. If I just change it to 4, and if I enter, it will send me a message saying that record deleted successfully. And if I come to my table and try to refresh the table, then I won't get the record with the ID of 4, because we have deleted it with the help of our RESTful web services, RESTful delete web service. So we will be creating this web service in this video. So we just have to go to our editor, and we just have to create one more file with the name of delete API.php. Okay, now we will be including our configuration file config.php, which is this one. We have created this file at the very beginning, that is at the first video tutorial, when we were discussing selecting the data, selecting API. At that time we have created this file, and once we call this file in our delete API file, then we will just take the ID, get ID, and then we will check for the emptiness of the value. If not empty of ID, then we will write the SQL query delete from users ID equals to $ID, and $query equals to connection of query, and we will pass the SQL statement inside it, and we will check whether we will be getting some value, whether it will return some value after executing the query. Query, and then we will be creating a variable with an array. The status of 1, and message saying as record deleted successfully. Message and status. I will just copy this and paste it out here, and change the status to 0, and change the message as failed to delete the record. Okay, and now at the end close the connection, mysql close, and here we need to set the header content application by JSON echo JSON encode, and pass the data variable inside it. save it. Okay, now we just need to go to our browser and just change this URL to delete API.php and pass an ID of 1. Okay, now let's first check into our database. Web service, and inside it users. Okay, we will just delete the first record, that is Aman. Pass the ID of 1. Okay, it's saying record deleted successfully. We got a response in the form of JSON from our server saying that record deleted successfully. And if I refresh our table, now we won't have a record with the name of Aman because we have deleted that record. So like this we can create the functionality of deleting a record with the help of RESTful web services using get method of HTTP protocol. So whenever you have created an application, or whenever you are creating an application using Android or any other technology, or whether it is Android or whether it is an ASP.NET or Java or any or iOS technology, in order to create a server script to delete your record from the application, just by instead of creating an additional code of script, additional server related code, you just need to call, or you just need to consume this web service by just calling this URI in your application. Then your record will get deleted. Okay. I hope you understood all the web services, all the RESTful web services that we have created, that we have discussed in this video tutorial series, whether it is selecting the record, whether it is inserting a record, or whether it is updating, or whether it is deleting a record from the database using RESTful web services. Okay, I hope you have got some useful information out of this video tutorial series. Please guys, refer to each and every video tutorial from this series. There are 4 videos in this series, so I will just recommend, or I will just suggest you to watch all this video tutorial, all this series from the very beginning without skipping any of the video of this series, so that you will get a better understanding of this concept. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and please click on that small thumb where it showing to like the video. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video tutorial series, where I will be discussing some new, discussing on any other topic. Okay, so I will see you in my next video guys.